This is Tim Wilson with Only Copy OBS and a built-in laptop microphone. This is another video from the Nomad Funnelhacker. And today we're looking at how to hide elements in ClickFunnels. And I am referring to the current version of ClickFunnels, sometimes called ClickFunnels 2.0. Although the process is going to be roughly the same for ClickFunnels Classic. So we're looking at a page I put together mostly of the default elements and a few images from the image gallery. And just got a headline, one column row, headline, paragraph, subheadline, button, photograph, two column row. And here we have a three column row, another headline, subheadline, bullet points, and picture, and then a button. But it will serve our purposes for this exercise. So when we want to hide something in ClickFunnels, we kind of have two choices. There's two areas we need to look at. Each element is going to have, in the settings at the very bottom, a visibility section where we can choose to have it visible in all aspects, visible only on the desktop, visible only on mobile. We can hide on all devices, or we can delete it. And so this is something that's going to come in play when we're talking about our desktop version of a page versus the mobile version. Other times, we may want to just hide it completely, but not delete it. Let's first look at doing something here with this row here. And we can apply this to sections, rows, and elements. So our section here, we can hide it just as much as we can hide this paragraph element here. The controls are the same. Let's go with this row here. And we're going to make it desktop only. Now, we see it on the desktop, but it does not appear on the mobile version. Now, controversially, this is one of the common things that we have come up with pictures that are set on the right-hand side on the desktop. They generally don't, they end up underneath, in this case, a bullet list, when we'd like them to be on top of the mobile version. So what we'll do in that case is we will duplicate that image. We will set one of them to desktop only. We will set the other to mobile only. And now, on our mobile side, we can grab our picture by the handle, move it up here, and save. Now, it's come before our bullet list on mobile, but if we go back to our desktop, it's unchanged and the bullet list comes before the image. That's how you can set things to be only on the desktop or only on the mobile side. Now we have another setting here we can do. So let's go back to this row and we are going to put it back to all. So now it will appear on mobile and desktop. Now it doesn't look very good on mobile, but that's okay because it's not good, because it's not going to be there for long. So now what we can do is go to our settings for the row, and now we can just choose to hide on all devices. Now it's gone on the desktop. It's also gone on mobile. So right after hiding that row, we decide we want to bring it back. Well, in that case, we want to go to our layout here at the top and click on that. And your layout is going to have a layout of everything that's on the page. And it works from top to bottom. So as we scroll down here, we'll see outlines on what area we have our mouse cursor over right now. And then you see to the right, there's a icon for desktop and icon for mobile. You can also turn off the mobile or the desktop view from here. But we want to go down to our row right here. And let's go ahead and scroll this up a little bit, make it more visible. Now, if you look at the layout, everything is lit up blue except for this one row, and it's grayed out. And so if we click on that and we click on that, we will make that row that we hid become visible again. Also from here, you can access all your controls, like your settings. So the layout is going to be where you're able to make a hidden item visible again. It also is sometimes useful if you have an item which will remove a lot of padding from sometimes. It'll be hard to get to the controls, and you can still get to them through the layout. That is how you can hide elements in ClickFunnels. And then once hidden, how you can make them visible again. It's also how you can hide elements on either the desktop or the mobile version, but have them appear on the other version. It's also how you can hide a element. And remember, when we're talking elements, I'm using it broadly. It could be a section, a row, or element, either on the desktop or the mobile, but not have it disappear from both. So that covers how to hide elements in ClickFunnels. My name is Tim Willis. I'm a certified ClickFunnels funnel builder, and I make tutorial and demonstration videos on ClickFunnels, funnel building, web page design, and all the tools that we use to accomplish that. That's the video for now. I'll talk to you later.